Hi guys, so welcome to today's video. So no, it is not a vlog. If you can't tell already by the title, I am just going to show you how I curl my hair. So this is kind of like after an hour and no hairspray. I'm going to show you how I curl it with my Mark Hill wand. And yeah, it's bank holiday, we're all stuck inside and the weather's absolutely beautiful, but yeah, not much we can do about it. So I hope you all enjoy this short little video. It's just something a little quick for your Easter weekend, and yeah, I hope you all enjoy. So guys, that was the end of the video. If you have enjoyed it, then please give it a huge thumbs up. I'm sorry that it was so short. I promise that next week's video will be a little bit longer, but I just thought I'd give you a bit of an insight in how I curl my hair when I do. So hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss a post, and comment down below and let me know what you think. I will leave the link down below where to get the curler from and the wand, and I will leave all my social media links in the description as well. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you next week.